Goji berries, the superfood you've been missing. Asterisk, 10 shocking goji berry benefits you've never heard before. Asterisk. Asterisk, did you know there's a tiny berry that's been used for centuries in secret to unlock amazing health benefits? Stick around to find out 10 shocking facts about goji berries that could transform your health. But wait until number 1, it might just blow your mind. Asterisk. 1. Anti-aging powerhouse. Goji berries have been used by Tibetan monks for centuries to fight the signs of aging. These berries, packed with antioxidants, help regenerate cells and slow down aging. Want to look younger? It's time to give goji berries a try. Asterisk, is goji berry a perennial? Absolutely. These little berries keep giving year after year. Asterisk. 2. Boosts immune system. Packed with vitamins A and C, goji berries can give your immune system the strength it needs to fight off illnesses. Forget the oranges, goji berries have double the immunity boosting power. 3. Supports eye health. Goji berries are loaded with zeaxanthin, which protects your eyes from harmful UV rays and keeps your vision sharp as you age. Imagine keeping your eyesight crystal clear for years longer than you thought. 4. Stress reduction. Stressed out? Eating goji berries can actually help reduce stress levels and calm your mind, thanks to their adaptogenic properties used in traditional medicine for centuries. 5. Blood sugar control. Surprise! Goji berries can help balance your blood sugar levels, making them a great snack for those watching their glucose. But remember, always check with your doctor before adding new foods to your diet, especially if you have medical conditions. 6. Weight loss secret. Struggling to lose weight? Goji berries can give your metabolism the boost it needs to burn fat faster. With their high fiber content, they'll also help you feel full longer. Traditional medicine often recommends goji berries for maintaining healthy weight. 7. Cancer-fighting properties. Yes, you heard that right. Goji berries have been found to activate the body's natural defenses, helping to combat the growth of cancer cells. How incredible is that? 8. Enhances mood. Feeling down? A handful of goji berries might be all you need. Studies show that these berries can improve mood and reduce feelings of anxiety. Snack your way to happiness. 9. Detoxes the liver. Goji berries are often used in traditional Chinese medicine to detoxify the liver. If you're looking for a natural way to cleanse your body, these little berries could be the answer. 10. Boosts energy levels. Finally, if you're looking for a natural energy boost without the crash of caffeine, goji berries are a perfect choice. They enhance stamina and keep you going throughout the day. Asterisk, so, how can you use these amazing berries? It's simple. Add them to your smoothies, sprinkle them on your oatmeal, toss them into salads, or just eat them as a quick snack. But always consult your doctor before adding anything new to your diet. Asterisk. Asterisk, goji berries truly are nature's hidden superfood. If you want to discover more amazing health tips and secrets, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Asterisk.